Hey guys, welcome to Smoking Jays. I'm Jared, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a juicy, tender Wagyu Tri Tip. First things first, guys, let's get this out of this package. We're going to keep it pretty simple. We're going to use salt, pepper, and garlic powder. With kosher salt, we will get a nice coverage starting the dry brine process. Now the garlic powder, fresh cracked black pepper. Now that we've got it seasoned, what you're going to want to do is put it on a drying rack and let it rest in your refrigerator for an hour to overnight. And that is the dry brining process. And what that does is it pulls the moisture out of the meat and dissolves that salt and then sucks the salt back in, making it more tender, more juicy, and seasoned all throughout. So don't forget this step, guys. On to the drying rack and into the fridge. Now that the dry brining is finished, we're gonna sear it on a cast iron skillet to lock in that flavor. A little bit of grapeseed oil. You're gonna want your pan as hot as it can get, so turn that baby up. Just like that. Make sure you sear all sides. Okay, now that we've got a nice beautiful sear on this tri-tip, we're going to let it sit and cool for 5 minutes, and then we're going to vacuum pack it and get it ready for the sous vide. Black belt trick for you guys, I got some Wagyu beef tallow from RC Ranch here in Texas, and I'm gonna put that in the bag with it. It's gonna help give it some extra flavor and help keep the meat moist. Drop this tri-tip in at 135 for 3 hours. After a few hours in the sous vide, this tri-tip is ready. It's time to take it out, let it cool, and crisp up that crust. Take it out of the bag and put it on a cooling rack, letting that meat cool down and that fat drip off. For the final sear, I'm going to be using a blowtorch. You guys can use whatever you're comfortable with, whether that be a cast iron skillet, open flame, charcoal grill, anything you like. All right, now it's ready. Time to cut it. Make sure that you're cutting against the grain, so the tri-tip has 2 separate grains running through it. Here, you have it running this way, and on this side you have it running this way. So just make sure you're cutting against the grain. This way here, this way here. I'll start by cutting it in half. Look at that. Wall to wall. Perfection. Alright guys, that's my take on the Wagyu Tri Tip. I got plenty more cooks on the way, so keep a lookout. I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, it's so tender. You guys gotta try this.